Why you are crying? Why you are so sad?
I am looking for food but can't find food. Can I take some fruits from your garden? My children are hungry.
Yes, you can take it.
My nest is far from here, and there is no food in that forest. Can we stay here?
Yes, you can make nest in my garden.
Farmer was a very good man. He was very kind-hearted. He always thinks about birds. Then birds make her nest in the garden. Bird collects juicy fruits and delicious fruits from the garden to her children. Once upon a time, there were different kind of birds were living in the forest. All the birds get worried that there is no food in the forest.
There is no work in this forest. We should have to go another forest for work.
Thinking this, all the birds decide to go from one forest to another forest. Thinking this, all the birds decide to go from one forest to another forest. Then crow starts to sell vegetable. All the birds, after reaching another forest, they start different kinds of work. Ranu bird starts to sell snacks. Her food was so delicious that lots of birds start coming to the shop. Then pigeon starts to sell coconut water.